Lift up your head to the rising sun, Bahamaland. March on to glory, your bright banners waving high. See how the world marks the manner of your bearing. Pledge to excel through love and unity, pressing onward, march together to a common loftier goal. Steady sunward, though the weather hide the wide and treacherous shore. Lift up your head to the rising sun, Bahamaland, till the road you've trod lead unto your God. March on, Bahamaland.
I pledge my allegiance to the flag and to the Commonwealth of the Bahamas, for which it stands, one people, united in love and service.
Good afternoon. My name is Piastra Roberts. The classroom of Miss Carey and Miss Anderson have decided to present on mental health awareness. Because of the pandemic, many young people's mental health was affected and in results staggered. So we have decided to show you a compilation of videos that help promote mental health awareness and give tips. I hope you and your friends take care of your mental health, and remember, you do matter.
Taking a break from social media, and I think a lot of people bash social media. It's easy to kind of point the finger there. I think there's a lot of good to social media, but there's also a reason why more and more people are reporting being lonely. And what's bizarre is we're more connected than ever. Social media allows us to talk to anybody around the world and talk to anybody instantly and see what people are up to. But one study found that the most common emotion of people scrolling through Facebook was depression. And there's different theories why, but the main one is that when you're scrolling through, there's an internal comparison taking place, and you're seeing everyone else's highlight reels. You're just seeing people get married or travel the world or have so much fun. And so it's easy for your mental health to take a hit when you're comparing. It's like, okay, well, what did I do today? Nothing. And so something my sister actually put me onto was just taking a break from social media and doing kind of a digital detox.
It's what I'm supposed to do. I think mental health is extremely important. It's an issue that is now coming to the forefront, but in the past it's been an issue that's been pushed down, neglected, either out of embarrassment or believing that you're the only one that is experiencing that. But now it's coming to the forefront, and I think it's a great time to be able to address some of those issues and some of those challenges, to try to use those as a source of strength. At first, I think it's getting over the stigma of it being something that is embarrassing or a sign of weakness. It is not a sign of weakness. I think that's step one. And then it's opening up and sharing that experience with others. That's how you build a community of strength, right? By getting others to open up and share their journeys and share their stories, you wind up inspiring each other. And you know how that goes. I mean, once that inspiration goes back and forth, that energy feeds on itself, right? And I think the best thing that we can do is not ignore it. Ignoring it is the worst thing we can do, because then it festers and it becomes something that has control over us versus the other way around. We rise, but we rise step by step. It's not one quantum leap, right? So, you know, I see too many kids get so discouraged because they're expecting to make this quantum leap, and when that quantum leap doesn't come, it feels like it'll never come, right? But that's not how it works. It's step by step, one foot in front of the other, day by day, get better every single day. And then when you look back, then you look down and you realize the mountain that you just scaled, right? But you can't jump from the bottom of Everest and get to the top of Everest like that. It doesn't happen. You know, Superman is only in comics. I think for me, it's, you know, mental health is a challenge that we need to accept. not ignore. Accept the challenge. We accept any other challenge that's presented in front of us. Mental health is no different. So let's face the challenge individually, but understand that we're facing that challenge collectively.
Of life. Number 1, let it go. Never ruin a good day by thinking about a bad yesterday. Number 2, ignore them. Don't listen to other people. Live a life that's empowering to you. Number 3, give it time. Time heals everything. Number 4, don't compare. The only person you should try to beat is the person you were yesterday. Number 5, stay calm. It's okay not to have everything figured out. Know that in time, you'll get there. Number 6, it's on you. Only you are in charge of your happiness. Number 7, smile. Life is short. Enjoy it while you can.
Thank you for watching our assembly, and we hope you learned something from our mental health facts, and please make sure to take care of your mental health.